Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Ford EcoBoost Titanium S. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULS compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower while still returning up to 52 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 13 and the car's covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Diamond White and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the vehicle. As we have a look inside, the first owner chose all the options from the factory. So this car has satellite navigation, the rear parking sensors, the rear reversing camera, and also the winter pack, which includes the heated seats. So lots of extras there for you. As you can see, the interior is in great condition with the half leather seats and the armrest there in the centre for the driver. There's also a couple of cup holders there in the centre. Already mentioned on the dashboard, you've got your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has air conditioning, which is climate control, as well as cruise control on the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there, you've got your electric mirror switch and your 4 electric window controls. With the EcoBoost, you've got the nice raised driving position and easy access there into the back, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate, which is opens from the right, so easy access there into the back, nice and wide, with a good sized boot and the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the front fog lights, the black alloy wheels, and already mentioned the rear parking sensors and the rear camera, which is just above the number plate there. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.